Have you ever wondered about the secrets to building wealth? What if there was a way to unlock financial success that has been tried and tested over centuries? Imagine having access to a treasure trove of knowledge that could guide you on your journey to financial freedom. In his insightful book, The Money Code, author H.W. Charles delves into the financial triumphs of the Jewish community. This book isn't just a collection of financial tips, it's a deep dive into the principles and practices that have enabled a community to thrive financially for generations. He explores the unique blend of ancient wisdom and cultural values that have paved their path to prosperity. These values are not just historical artifacts, they are living principles that continue to guide financial decisions today. This isn't just about one group's success story. The principles outlined in the Money Code are universal and can be applied by anyone, regardless of their background or current financial situation. The Money Code unveils universal principles that anyone, regardless of background, can use to unlock their financial potential. These principles include smart investing, prudent saving, and the importance of financial education. This book is your guide to understanding the financial practices deeply woven into Jewish culture. It provides a comprehensive look at how these practices have been passed down through generations and adapted to modern times. It reveals how these practices, passed down through generations, have yielded remarkable results. The emphasis on education, community support, and long-term planning are key elements that have contributed to their success. The Money Code is more than a financial guide. It's a journey into a culture that prioritizes financial literacy, smart investing, and giving back. It encourages readers to not only focus on personal gain, but also on how they can contribute to their communities. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind building lasting wealth. This book will challenge your existing perceptions about money and provide you with a new framework for thinking about financial success. This book will challenge your perceptions about money and provide a roadmap to achieving financial freedom. It offers practical advice and actionable steps that you can start implementing today. Prepare to be inspired and empowered to take control of your financial future. With the insights from the Money Code, you'll be well equipped to make informed financial decisions and build a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. To understand the principles within the Money Code, we must first journey back in time. Jewish history is marked by periods of resilience and adaptation, often in the face of adversity. These experiences shaped a culture that values financial prudence and resourcefulness. For centuries, Jewish communities faced restrictions and limitations, often denied access to traditional career paths. This circumstance, though challenging, fostered a spirit of entrepreneurship and a knack for navigating complex financial landscapes. The importance of education, self-sufficiency, and community support became paramount. These historical experiences are not meant to elicit pity, but rather to illustrate the power of adaptation. The values born out of these trials, hard work, education, and community support, became the bedrock of their financial success. The Money Code argues that these values, though rooted in a specific cultural context, hold universal relevance. The Money Code unveils 5 core principles that underpin financial success: wisdom and lifelong learning, strong values, education and entrepreneurship, strategic investing, and charitable giving. These pillars are interconnected, working together to create a solid foundation for wealth building. Wisdom and lifelong learning are presented as essential for navigating the ever-changing financial landscape. Strong values instilled from a young age serve as a compass for ethical and responsible financial decision-making. Education is highly prized, seen as a tool for personal growth and economic empowerment. Entrepreneurship, encouraged and celebrated within the community, provides opportunities for innovation and wealth creation. Strategic investing, starting early and employing a long-term approach, ensures financial security for the future. Finally, charitable giving is woven into the fabric of their financial practices, seen as both a responsibility and a privilege. Section 4. Putting principles into practice. A blueprint for financial well-being. The Money Code doesn't stop at theory. It provides practical steps to apply these principles in your daily life. Wisdom and lifelong learning are encouraged through continuous self-improvement and seeking knowledge. Developing strong values involves cultivating a healthy money mindset and making financial decisions aligned with your beliefs. Investing in education, whether formal or through self-learning, is crucial for personal and financial growth. Considering entrepreneurial endeavors, even on a small scale, can open up new income streams. Strategic investing starts with early planning and consistent contributions, making use of compounding to grow wealth over time. Finally, incorporating charitable giving, no matter how small, fosters a sense of gratitude and responsibility. These actionable steps, outlined in detail within the book, provide a clear roadmap for anyone seeking to improve their financial well-being. Section 5. Dispelling Myths, the Universal Appeal of the Money Code. It's crucial to address a potential misconception surrounding the money code. Many people might initially think that this book is only relevant to a specific group or community. Some might mistakenly perceive it as a religiously exclusive guide, solely applicable to those of the Jewish faith. This assumption can deter a wider audience from exploring its valuable insights. This couldn't be further from the truth. The Money Code is designed to be inclusive and beneficial to everyone, regardless of their religious or cultural background. While the book draws upon the financial successes rooted in Jewish culture and tradition, its principles are universal. The strategies and advice provided are applicable to anyone looking to improve their financial situation. The author emphasizes that the values and practices discussed transcend religious boundaries. These are not just Jewish principles, they are human principles that can be adopted by anyone. They are time-tested principles for financial responsibility, wealth creation, and giving back values that resonate with anyone seeking financial stability and success. The book provides a roadmap that can be followed by individuals from all walks of life. The book's message is not about conversion, but about sharing valuable insights that can benefit everyone. It's about learning from a culture that has a long history of financial acumen and applying those lessons to our own lives. It's about learning from a culture that prioritizes financial literacy, smart investing, and community support. These are lessons that can help anyone, regardless of their background, to achieve financial success and stability. The Money Code encourages readers to look beyond stereotypes and recognize the universal applicability of these principles. By doing so, we can all benefit from the wisdom and experience that has been accumulated over generations. In conclusion, the Money Code is a treasure trove of financial wisdom that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. Its teachings are meant for everyone, and its principles can help anyone achieve their financial goals. So whether you're looking to improve your financial literacy, make smarter investments, or simply understand the value of community support, the Money Code has something to offer you. Embrace its teachings and see how they can transform your financial life. Section 6. Conclusion: embark on your journey to financial freedom. The Money Code is more than just a book about money. It's a guide to cultivating a prosperous and meaningful life. It delves into the essence of financial wisdom, offering insights that go beyond mere numbers and charts. This book is a treasure trove of knowledge, designed to help you navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence and clarity. It reveals the power of ancient wisdom, strong values, and a commitment to lifelong learning. These timeless principles have guided successful individuals for centuries, and now, they can guide you too. By integrating these teachings into your daily life, you can unlock the secrets to lasting financial success and personal fulfillment. By embracing the 5 pillars of prosperity, you can take control of your financial future and build a legacy of abundance. These pillars are not just theoretical concepts, they are actionable steps that you can implement right away. Whether it's through smart investing, prudent saving, or strategic planning, each pillar serves as a building block for your financial independence. This book is a call to action, an invitation to embark on a journey of financial empowerment. It's about taking that first step, no matter how small, towards a brighter financial future. The journey may be challenging, but with the right guidance and determination, you can achieve your financial dreams. It encourages you to examine your own relationship with money, identify areas for improvement, and take concrete steps towards achieving your financial goals. Self-reflection is key. Understanding your financial habits and mindset can lead to profound changes. The book provides practical exercises and tools to help you on this path. It's about making informed decisions, investing wisely, and giving back to the community. Financial success is not just about accumulating wealth, it's also about using that wealth to make a positive impact. By giving back, you create a cycle of prosperity that benefits not only yourself but also those around you. We encourage you to share your own financial experiences and insights in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others, and together, we can create a community of financially empowered individuals. Sharing knowledge and experiences is a powerful way to learn and grow. What financial principles resonate most with you? Reflect on the lessons you've learned and how they've shaped your financial journey. Your insights could be the key to someone else's success. How have you applied them in your own life? Share your stories of triumphs and challenges, and let's learn from each other's experiences. Every story is a valuable lesson. Let's start a conversation and inspire each other on our journeys to financial freedom. Together, we can build a supportive network that encourages growth and success for everyone involved. And for a deeper dive into these transformative principles, we highly recommend exploring The Money Code by H.W. Charles. This book is a comprehensive guide that can help you unlock your full financial potential. Dive into its pages and discover the strategies that can lead you to a life of financial freedom and abundance.